helping you find your happiness. What happens while you sleep? Today, we're exploring one of the most fascinating processes your body and mind go through every single day: sleep. You spend about a third of your life sleeping, but do you know what actually happens during those hours when your eyes are closed? Let's start with the basics. Sleep isn't just one long period of unconsciousness. Instead, your brain cycles through several distinct stages, each serving a unique purpose. Think of it like a carefully orchestrated symphony, with different sections playing their parts at precisely the right moments. When you first lay down to rest, your brain begins to slow down. Your thoughts start to drift, and your muscles gradually relax. Scientists have observed that during this initial phase, your brain produces what are called alpha and theta waves. You might be surprised to learn that some of the most important work happens in your brain while you sleep. Research shows that your brain actually removes toxic waste products that build up during your waking hours. It's like a biological cleaning crew coming in for the night shift. As you progress through the night, your brain alternates between two main types of sleep: REM, or rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. During REM sleep, your brain becomes more active. In fact, it becomes almost as active as when you're awake. This is when most dreaming occurs, and your body becomes temporarily paralyzed to prevent you from acting out these dreams. During deep sleep, your body gets to work on physical restoration. Growth hormone is released, muscles and tissues are repaired, and your immune system is strengthened. This is why athletes and fitness enthusiasts often need more sleep. Their bodies require additional time for recovery and repair. Here's something particularly interesting about sleep. Your brain uses this time to process and store memories. Scientists at MIT discovered that when you learn something new, those same patterns of brain activity are repeated while you sleep. This process helps move information from short-term to long-term memory storage. Now, want some ideas to improve your sleep quality? Try maintaining a consistent sleep schedule. Your body operates on what's called a circadian rhythm, an internal clock that responds to light and dark. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day helps optimize this natural rhythm. The temperature of your room matters too. Research from the Sleep Foundation indicates that the ideal sleeping temperature is between 60 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Your body naturally cools while you are sleeping, and a cool room can help facilitate this process. Your pre-sleep routine can also significantly impact sleep quality. Blue light, which is emitted from smartphones and tablets, can interfere with your body's production of the sleep hormone melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep. Instead of blue light electronic devices, consider switching to a book or practicing gentle stretches in the hour before bed. Here's another fascinating fact. Scientists have found that during sleep, the space between brain cells actually increases by up to 60%, allowing the brain to flush out accumulated waste products more efficiently. This cleanup system, known as the glymphatic system, works best when you're lying on your side. Experiencing a night of poor sleep isn't just about feeling tired the next day. Regular sleep deprivation has been linked to increased risk of various health issues, including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and impaired immune function. This makes quality sleep not just a luxury, but a necessity for good overall health. Now let's consider the science of sleep cycles in more detail. Each cycle typically lasts about 90 minutes, and most people complete 4 to 6 cycles per night. Understanding these cycles can help you plan your sleep duration. For example, waking up at the end of a cycle, rather than in the middle of it, can help you feel more refreshed. This is why some people feel better after 7.5 hours of sleep rather than 8 hours. Recent research from the University of Rochester has revealed another crucial function of sleep. It helps maintain the blood-brain barrier, a vital shield that protects your brain from harmful substances. During sleep, this barrier becomes more efficient at removing potential toxins from the brain tissue. Here's something many people don't realize about caffeine and sleep. The half-life of caffeine in your body is about 5 hours. This means that if you drink coffee at 4 p.m., half of that caffeine is still in your system at 9 p.m., potentially affecting your ability to fall asleep. Consider avoiding any caffeine intake for at least 8 hours prior to your bedtime. Consistent quality sleep also plays a crucial role in the regulation of your mood and emotions. Research at the University of California, Berkeley, found lack of sleep can increase activity in the amygdala, the brain's emotional center, while reducing activity in the prefrontal cortex that regulates emotions. This explains why we often feel more irritable and emotional after a poor night's sleep. As we wrap up, remember that good sleep is one of the most powerful tools you have for maintaining both physical and mental health, and for helping you find your happiness. Yet we can often overlook the many benefits of consistent quality sleep. It's your body's time to heal, grow, and prepare for another day. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need some ideas for better sleep. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more videos about how your body and mind can help you maintain your happiness. Thanks for watching.